Till now we have seen how to edit an image by apparently changing its characteristics. For example, its size, or you just crop it, or you add different colors to it. So now what we will do is keep the image intact and try to change its properties. For example, brightness, contrast, or work with the different color curves. Color curve is a very important tool which will help you make the images pop out or make them better looking. So let us take an image which has more gradients and is more like a natural image. So we'll open this image. Okay. So now let us do, it seems pretty washed out. And let us work with its curves. So this colors curves, this gives you a pretty handy way of changing the look and feel of the tool. So you can see a histogram of the colors of the image. What you can do is hold this and change it. If you take it up, you see approximately the image becomes lighter, or as if more light is shining on the image. If you take it down, then the image becomes darker, as if the ambient light has gone down. So you can do multiple things with it. You can make the brighter parts brighter and the darker parts darker. So that will make your image really pop out. Typically this is what we do. So let us to make the image much more contrasty. It just makes it more pleasant and more eye-catching. So now if we do the opposite thing, we'll see exact opposite thing happening. Image looks more washed out and there is equalization. So this part of the curve is the darker parts, darker colors. These are the brighter parts. So if you make the brighter parts less bright and the darker parts more bright, then the image will equalize and it will look more washed out. That is what happens. We don't want that. We want the exact opposite thing. And so typically S kind of a curve works best in making images pop out. So you can do various other stuff and see what looks best on the image. You can even reset it so that everything is back to normal, or you can cancel it too. So this is how you can change the brightness and characteristics of an image to make it much more eye-catchy.